Here we got a really nice Barrister bookcase. This is a Lindstrom in Little Falls, New York. It's all quarter sawn oak case, original plywood back, looks like maple shelf inside. This is a Barrister bookcase, so if you're not familiar with them, they all come apart. The top lifts off. Each section lifts off each other. You got two 9 1/4 boxes, that's the height. You got two 11 1/4 boxes. And then this is a 13 1/4 box. So very nice graduated size boxes, very clean condition, original finish, ready to go right in your home. And this is on display at our Midtown showroom at 333 West 52nd Street, New York, New York. DM us if you got any questions on this one. And I want to show you another one. Here we have another one. This is a Macy's, another maker, also a 5 stack, very nice. Here we got, looks like about the same thing. We got 4 of the smaller size boxes and one larger at the bottom. This is a 5 stack also. All the boxes are the same size on this one. These boxes are about 10 1/2 high, each box. Got the nice scrolled top, lifts off, and you got the nice OG base there too. And you got this nice detail, these metal straps on the side with the Japan finish. This looks to have been refinished in a nice golden oak color. Very clean, very nice, ready to go right in your home. So both of these are on display at 333 West 52nd Street, New York, New York, at our Midtown showroom. DM us if you got any questions, and by all means stop in and come see these and a whole lot more. And also don't forget to check out our warehouse Instagram at oldgoodthings_warehouse. Thanks for looking.